Grocery shopping. I open my fridge. It is almost empty. I need groceries. I go to the grocery store. I go grocery shopping. I make a grocery list. I write down what I need. I need bananas, milk, chicken, pickles, pasta, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer. I can get them at the grocery store. I go to the produce section. The bananas are in the produce section. I have bananas. I cross bananas off my grocery list. I need milk. I go to the dairy section. The milk is in the dairy section. I have milk. I cross milk off my list. I need chicken. I go to the meat section. The chicken is in the meat section. I have chicken. I cross chicken off my grocery list. I need pickles. I go to the aisles. There is food on the shelves. I look for pickles in the aisles. I can't find the pickles. I ask the grocery store clerk where I can find the pickles. She says the pickles are on aisle 2. I find the pasta. The pasta is on aisle 3. There is no more toilet paper. The grocery store is sold out. There is no more hand sanitizer. The grocery store is sold out. I can't buy hand sanitizer. I look for soap. Soap is on aisle 4. I have bananas, milk, chicken, pickles, and pasta. I do not have toilet paper. I do not have hand sanitizer. I have soap. The end. Thank you.